He turns up, I'll fucking... You wanna be fucked up by this, bitch? You wanna be fucked up by this? Yeah? Fucking fuck off! You wanna be fucked up by this? I'll fuck you up. Every little bit of you. Fuck you, cunts. Yeah, don't forget it. Tell you what. Sat right here. I'll give you all of it. I'll fuck you up with this. Yeah? I'll fuck you up with this. Stab you with it. Fucking cut you. I got my loppers. So fuck you. Colin, can you hear me? Tyrone D. No, I'm not listening. Fuck him.
It's not on screen.
No, he's on his own channel. No content for you, Tyrone D. Fuck you.
Martin and Colin are actually gay and together. Can you fucking believe that? No, I'm not turning Cole gay.
Yeah, and I know I'm lovely. I'm a decent, nice person.